This is about making a paper mache holder for a comet to be filled with composition and glued onto a 6-inch shell. First, plastic wrap is placed around a Hemi and held in place with clothespins. 5 paper circles have been cut to 2.5 inches diameter. Each circle is coated with my special paper mache paste of Mod Podge, sodium silicate, and water. Then the circles are wet with the paste and stacked onto the Hemi. A strip of paper 2 5/8 inches wide by 24 inches long is coated with the paste and wrapped around a piece of 1 1/8 inch outside diameter PVC pipe. A line is drawn on the pipe at 1 inch, and the edge of the paper is lined up with the line. If you go past the line, it is easy to trim the cup to the proper depth with scissors after it is all dry. After it is wrapped, the part sticking out past the end of the pipe is cut 6 times to form tabs that could be bent out. Then, with the tabs spread out, the cup is pasted onto the circles. Then a paper strip, 5/8 inches wide by 12 inches long, is coated with paste and put around the base of the cup, sealing and reinforcing the base of the cup. Then the PVC forming pipe is removed, and needle-nosed pliers are used to twist the edge to fold it over, so that the top diameter is smaller than the bottom diameter. I am grabbing a 3/8 inch wide part of the edge to be folded over. A short strip of paper is pasted over the fold to hold it in place. Now the clothespins can be removed and the comet holder can be put aside on its hemi and plastic wrap to dry for 2 or 3 days. After it is dry, it is trimmed to 1 inch in depth. After mixing the Comet composition, it is put into the Comet holder. The composition is tamped down a layer at a time with a piece of 3/4-inch dowel and a mallet. The holder is sitting on a piece of wood, curved like the top of a Hemi to support the base. It is filled level with the top and put aside to dry.